In this short tutorial, I will show you where to find the basic pieces of a citation for a result in an EBSCO host database. First, we will look for the author. In this database, the author can be found here. Notice that it is the first line under the title. Also note that the author is displayed with last name before first name. If you have more than one author, you will be expected to list them all. Second, we will look for the title of the article. In this database, the title of the article can be found here. This title is what the result was listed under on the result page. For this example, it is "Could you ever give up social media?" Third, for this example, we will look at the title of the journal. However, we could also be looking at the title of a magazine, newspaper, etc., depending on our source. In this database, the title of the journal can be found here, where you see source, and then the title of the journal for this is Scholastic Choices. Fourth is volume number and issue number. In this database, the volume and issue number can be found here, volume 35, issue 5. Volumes and issues help determine when an item was published related to other items from that same source. Fifth, we will look for the date. In this database, the publication date can be found here. In this example, it's February 2020. This would be where you can check the age of an item. Sixth, we will look at page numbers. The page numbers help us find exactly where to go within the source. In this database, the page numbers can be found here, page 12 through 15. Now we will look at DOI numbers and URLs. The DOI number is not available for every item. This is an item that does not have a DOI number. If it was there, it would be down here by the accession number, and it would say DOI. It is important to note when we are looking for URLs that we do not want to use the URL at the top of the page. Instead, we will look for the permanent URL. In this database, it is called a permalink and can be found here on the right hand. If we click on that, it's going to populate a permalink box right above the article title. This is the URL you need to use for this article. Finally, we will look for the database name. The database name is important to help you and your instructor get back to the source you used. In this database, the database name can be found here, directly above your search. For this example, we are searching in the database Academic Search Complete. Sometimes there are other optional citation pieces. If you are having trouble finding something specific, please contact the ICC library.